Hey guys, welcome back to Empowering DIY. I'm Mitch and this is Clayton, and today we are going to work on a water heater. Why? We don't have hot water. No, the problem is, I believe one of the elements is out because the hot water will run for just a little while and then it gets cold really quick. So I believe, hopefully it's just an element, and we're going to go and I'm going to show Clayton how to troubleshoot this, and I'd like y'all to come along. So let's get under the house and start checking it out. You ready? Alright, let's go. Alright.
Where is it?
The water heater's right over here. Spider web. Okay.
They're everywhere.
Uh-oh.
What?
I see a bad sign. Look what I see.
Oh.
You see the rust out in the water? It's not wet, but this doesn't look good. We may have to, we may be swapping
Spider.
swapping our water heater. That's okay, bud. All right. Okay. Do you remember what we did with the air conditioner first?
Turn the power off.
All right. So what we'll do, I already know where it is, but I'm gonna show you, Clayton. See the power wire coming in right here?
Yeah.
What we want to do is want to trace it, right? And
Right there.
yep, we want to make sure 100% that this is the right disconnect, okay? So we'll go ahead and pull it.
Well, at least it didn't
So we
fly.
got it out. Yeah, at least I didn't throw it across the room, right?
And then I had to run all the way over there to the wall to get it.
Okay. Now that we have the power secured, again, we want to check and make sure we don't have power. Too bad we didn't have a GoPro with a tripod, huh, Clayton? So,
I tried to put it on the corner, but I couldn't find it.
so we have a GoPro that was given to us to use for a while, and we're very grateful for it. And we went to go use it today, and the battery was dead. I guess I'm not used to making sure my batteries are charged up. So
That's definitely your fault.
it's definitely my fault. I should have checked. Okay. I ain't
You
mad.
should have tried to look closer.
We'll just do another video on the cell phone. Okay.
Maybe later we can use it. Was that the wrong one?
We're gonna take them both off. Okay, there's gonna be two elements in this hot water heater. You got an upper one and a lower one. So the first thing we need to do, well, I have a bad feeling this hot water heater is no good. I have a feeling it's leaking.
It lasted a long time.
Mm.
I'm surprised it didn't.
Let's-
I bet that's the spider that keeps making all these spider webs.
All right. Yep.
Is that what's wrong with it?
Yep. Hot water heater is busted. Okay, guys. So, bad news is, flashlight made it worse for you. As you can see,
Oh, I shot it right in my nose.
oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, that's not good. Yeah. As you can see, the element around it has rusted and is leaking. So there's really not even any point checking it. This hot water heater is a bust.
So they're gonna have to replace it?
Yep. Oh well. I hate it, but it'd be the best thing. Clayton, hold on. Alright, so what I wanted to do, Clayton, I wanted to show you, at least teach you what continuity is. Do you remember me ever telling you what continuity is?
Yeah, I've never had.
Continuity is the continuation of an electrical current. Okay, so this coil, this is your heating element here, and this is your heating element down here. Well, they make a loop they start in this point and they go through a coil and come back and come right back. So you got 2 wires right here, right? So we want to check continuity between those two.
So it's these 2 wires?
No, it's, yeah, the yellow and the blue.
Where's the yellow?
Okay, but let's just to be safe, let's just verify the power real quick and make sure we're 100% sure we don't have power. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold the video or the camera without shaking it like crazy. All right, so to check continuity, well, we're gonna check power first. All right, let's check for power. Turn the light on so we can see it. It's on AC. Remember what AC stands for?
Not really.
Alternating current. Okay. DC is something like on a vehicle or the boat. Remember all that? Yeah. And then AC is something you're usually going to find in a house. Okay. Very rare you'll find DC in a house. You'll find DC on like your computer is DC or your tablet is DC, but it's converted.
What about it?
All right, so got it on AC, right? Alternating current. We're going to check the leads. If you check where the power comes in here, there's wire nuts inside here, and they lead down to the top of the temperature controller, which is here. You got your black and your red, and this should be 220. So we're going to check this right there. Go down. And it's absolutely 0, so I know that the power is off, right? Okay, Clayton, so we're going to check continuity, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to see what continuity is on the meter without anything?
Sure.
You check the leads to lead, right? If you touch the leads, it beeps, right? And it shows closed. Okay, so we know that.
You showed me that before.
I think I did, but now we're going to check continuity on this, right? And we're going to check to see if, look, all right?
It beeps.
Yeah. So that element should be, in theory, good.
Giving me a headache.
So what we would do next is after we turned it back on, if we wanted to verify if that element was working, we would turn it on, energize it, and carefully, you don't want to touch any with your hands, but carefully, you would put your amp meter over here and have this on amp. And that way, you would actually read the amps going through there. And as a matter of fact, I'll show you. I'll go ahead and turn it back on with it on, and I don't have to have my hand in the way.
Could have done it for you.
Now that
spider's crawling down.
Alright, so now, as you can see, that one element is pulling 19 amps. So that means that element is good. I would assume that if I checked this element down here, right here, it is pulling 0. Just what I figured. This element down here is no good, but visually we can tell that anyways. So now we're 100% sure that that element's no good, but due to the leaking around it, this whole hot water heater has to be replaced. It's not going to last. Even if we were to get another element in there and stop leaking, I feel like it'd bust here in a month or two. So now we got to replace it. So bad news for us, but good news to all our followers on YouTube. You get a video of us changing a hot water heater. So stay tuned, and we'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and load this video as how to check a hot water heater element, and I think we'll make another video on how to replace a hot water heater. Does that sound like a plan? Huh?
I'll probably be tired by then.
Oh, okay. Well, tell everybody thank you for watching. Can you not say that? You're a chatterbug all the time. You can't say like and subscribe. At least give me a thumbs up. Okay. So, Clayton says like and subscribe. And please tell everybody about our channel. And we'll keep trying to educate you as we educate ourselves, right? You learn anything? Good.
I didn't have a heater.
All right. Y'all have a great day, and stay tuned for the next video on how to replace a hot water heater. Thank you.